Some people call ESG the future of investing. Others say it's nothing more than a scam. Big investors are divided. Companies are racing to look green, and billions of dollars are at stake. So what is ESG really? Is it changing the world or just changing marketing slogans? Let's find out. ESG stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. Environmental looks at how a company impacts the planet, climate change, pollution, and resource use. Social focuses on how a company treats people, workers, communities, and customers. Governance examines leadership, ethics, transparency, and accountability. Instead of asking only one question, how much profit does this company make? ESG asks something deeper. Large investors believe that companies ignoring ESG are risky. Climate disasters can destroy assets. Poor labor practices can cause scandal. Weak governance can lead to fraud. That's why pension funds, banks, and global investors are moving billions into ESG-focused companies. ESG isn't charity, it's risk management. Wall Street is going green, not because it's kind, but here's the problem. Not every company claiming to be green actually is. Some firms change their branding, add sustainability buzzwords, but continue harmful practices behind the scenes. This is called greenwashing. It creates confusion, distrust, and gives ESG a bad reputation. Critics point to these fake promises and say ESG itself is a scam. But is that fair? The truth is simple. ESG is not a scam, but it can be misused. Just like financial reports can be manipulated, ESG scores can be exaggerated. Smart investors don't trust marketing. They look at real data, real impact, and long-term behavior. ESG works best when transparency exists. Without it, ESG becomes just another label. Governments are tightening rules. Investors are demanding proof. And data standards are improving. ESG is evolving. It's moving away from vague promises toward measurable results. The future of investing won't ignore profit, but it won't ignore responsibility either. The companies that survive will be the ones that balance both. So, is ESG the future of investing or just another scam? The answer depends on how honestly it's used and how wisely we invest. The future of finance is watching closely, and subscribe more this channels.